Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my June, I never know what month it is anymore, my June BOXYCHARM unboxing. Literally told myself that today I was going to take the day off, that I wasn't going to do anything, and that I was just going to relax. But I think we're going somewhere later and I have to get ready eventually anyway, so I was like, I might as well just film like a really chill video. So that's what we're doing today. Nothing too crazy. So let's just go ahead and open this baby up. There is a couple products in here that I'm really excited for that I saw in like little previews and stuff. So this month's theme is Getaway. Let's start off with the first product in here. This is the Tarte BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $36 and it's another one of these like these little tiny palettes. It's like going back and forth. I was like, should I just like not use it because I'm probably only going to use it like one time. But there were more mattes in this one than usual. This is what the palette looks like, by the way. Very neutral, very, you know, those tones. But I was going back and forth. I was like, should I use it? Should I just like save it and give it to somebody? But I was going for a natural look today anyway. So I went ahead and just primed and set my eyes. I'm going to go in, I mean, there's only so many options I can really use in this palette. But I'm going to go in with, is there names on here? I'm going to say that this is Explore or Daybreak. Not exactly sure which one it is, but it's this shade right here. I'm not doing like anything crazy today, so I am not doing like a crazy ass look or anything. I'm literally just going to do like probably the most simplest eye look ever. The browns in here are like okay shades that I can see myself like reaching for. I do typically reach for my Milani Most Loved Mattes palette if I want to do like my everyday neutral look, but this one is nice too. The shadows seem to be blending out fine. The pigmentation is good. I don't think I really need to go into another shadow. I'm just kind of building this one up. I would honestly just leave it at this, but since there is some shimmers in here, I am going to just take some of that. Take this shade right here. It's like a nice shimmery gold. I'm going to just spray it with some Fix Plus because it looks a little, not dusty, but it doesn't look like it's sticking to the brush very well. So, oh yeah, there we go. Just putting that like all the way up, doing this like technique just to open my eyes a little bit more. Oh, that when you wet that shadow, it's really intense. I don't want something that intense. I'm going back with the other brush to kind of just blend all that out, making that shadow like 3/4 of the way on my eye, and then I'll just take the brown shade and just blend out the edges like that. Just for some fun, I'm going to take a little bit of this darker brown shade to kind of deepen up the outer corner a little bit, just to add some depth there. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the eyes. This is like just something super easy and natural. Move on to the next product, which is probably what I'm most excited for because I forgot what box it was, but we got the Touch in Sol No Pore Primer in one of the boxes from before, and I have been using that primer ever since. I will switch off with another one, but that one I fell in love with when it came in one of the boxes a couple months ago. So I'm really excited that this is the Touch in Sol No Pore Prime Essence. So this actually just came out, I feel like. I saw it on their Instagram. So this is like a newer product. It retails for $23. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Pore Prime Essence infused with calendula flower extract. I don't know. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So this is what it looks like. It's a cute bottle and it has like this weird tip, so I don't know, do I shake this? I say to shake it or anything, so I'm just gonna kind of go for it. Oh, okay. It's very liquidy. I was trying to pat it in, but I think we're just gonna rub it. Ooh, it feels really nice. Ooh, that feels real nice. Like, oh wow, I don't know, the texture of it is, it's like a liquid. It's like a, you guys could kind of see it's dripping down my finger, but it doesn't feel like an oil, but it also doesn't feel like watery either. Very interesting, but it feels really nice. So oh, I feel like this is great because the other one's very like mattifying, and this one, I don't know, like it's really hydrating, which is good because my skin's been really dry lately. See how foundation goes on top of it. I'm just using my Lancome Tawny Dual. This is the foundation I wear most of the time, so I know how it works with different primers, so let's just apply that. You know what? It might, I feel like it is making it way easier to blend out. Or maybe I'm crazy, but I feel like it's blending out like way easier. I feel like it's sitting on top of that primer really well. The sponge is from the Makeup Shack, by the way. Oh my gosh. Yeah, honestly, I feel like the foundation looks so good. I mean, this foundation looks really good in general, but it's giving me, this foundation is a little bit more on the matte side. It's like a natural matte, but it's definitely giving me some like sheen to it. So I made it a little bit more dewier. Oh, I really, really like that so far. Go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup because we have a couple products left, but I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much finish up the rest of my face. So I went ahead and just contoured, baked, all that stuff. By the way, I just used the Milk Kush lash primer and like my eyelashes look pretty bomb. I used it with the ColourPop BFF mascara. Not too bad. This is from, dude, I swear that I thought that this said Saint Laurent and I was like, but it's Steve Laurent. This is, oh, it's a jelly highlighter. This is a jelly highlighter. It says it retails for $26. This jelly highlighter formula is bouncy, lightweight, blendable, water resistant, and so fun to use. This is in the shade Cotton Candy. Oh yeah, she's definitely a like jelly oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh, oh my god, this is really pretty. And oh wow. And since it is like that jelly consistency, it really just like blends in with the skin. Let's try some with our finger too. Ooh, just applying that to this side. That's really pretty. It almost has like a pinky rosy hue to it. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I've never heard of this brand before, but she's cute. Two products in the box. So we have a lip liner from the brand Dirty Little Secret. We have gotten this in boxes before. I don't remember if it's been like recently, but I know for sure like a while ago, like a couple of years ago, I remember getting something from this brand. But this is in the shade Pale Pink and this retails for $15. This is what I'm also really excited for. This is from Dominique Cosmetics and this is one of her new glosses. It's a brand by Kristen Dominique. So I haven't tried any of her products, but I've been wanting to. And ooh, this is a cute gloss. This is really pretty. So this is one of the lemonade glosses. Her packaging is really nice. Very like sturdy. And this retails for $17. It smells like lemonade because it's called like, it's from like her lemonade collection. Oh no, not at all. It smells like cake. Cake or cotton candy, I can't really tell. Try the lip liner first. Okay, so that's actually a really good lip liner for that gloss. So I'm happy that they put something that I can actually use with the gloss in here. So let's just line my lips. On the back of my hand, it looks so much darker. You see that? Look how dark it looks on my hand, and then on my lips it's really... That's like a cute liner, but it's like honestly like the same exact color as my lips. So I'm going to take a little bit of a darker lip liner. I'm going to take the ColourPop BFF lip liner. Yeah, just like something a little bit deeper to kind of give my lips some definition. I'm going to take the gloss on top. Let's see. Oh, I love like paddle. Ooh, really pretty. Yeah, it smells like cake. Very heavily scented, not gonna lie. This is a really pretty gloss. Like such a nice peachy nude color. It feels really nice. It's not sticky like at all. It almost feels like, I think it says it on here too. Yeah, like a balm kind of consistency. So it's really nice, super juicy and glossy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just I just have to put like highlight on. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go finish this up. Okay, so I actually took a little bit of curvy lip liner from ColourPop. This is like the lip liner that I wear with all of my glosses. So I wanted to see what it looked like with this gloss, and I think I'd like it a lot more. If you like these kind of lip colors, definitely try this lip combo out because I think it's really pretty. So I went ahead and added everything up from this month's box, and it came out to a total of $117. Which is, as always, amazing. Yeah, definitely I think my favorite thing from the box might be the gloss, but I actually really like that where is it, the Touch and Soul primer essence. I think it made my makeup go on really, really beautiful. It glided on. Maybe I'm crazy, but I honestly feel like my foundation like glided on top of it. My concealer blended out really nicely on top of it as well. Excited to keep playing around with it and using it. The gloss I think is really pretty. I love the formula of it. I definitely want to try out some more of the different glosses because the consistency of the gloss just feels so nice. Like, it's like a balm almost. It's not sticky whatsoever. Lip liner was nice, but it's almost like the exact same color of my lips, but I feel like that could come in handy one day when I need something like that. Highlighter was so good. Definitely was not expecting that, honestly. When I opened up the box earlier to kind of look like a little peek to see like what I was going to be using and stuff, I was like, oh, that looks okay. But it's honestly so pretty, and I think it just sits on top, like it doesn't sit on top of the skin. It really just becomes like one with the skin. I think you look so beautiful and glowy with it. It's such a pretty highlighter. I love the color of it too. That I was kind of like about was the palette, and that's just because you guys know I don't really care for neutral palettes except for like the one neutral palette that I use all the time, which is the Milani Most Love Mattes. For me personally, I feel like I don't need a million neutral palettes, so that one is good enough for me. So but this one, it's not bad. I give this to like Ryan's sisters, one of them, or like one of my friends if they wanted or something. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box. It is $21 a month, and you always get 4 to 5 full-size products in it. You can sign up with the link down below for BOXYCHARM if you haven't already. It is an affiliate link, so I do get like a small little tiny commission from it. If you guys don't feel comfortable using like affiliate codes or links or whatever, you can just go and sign up at boxycharm.com. It's totally fine. But if you do use my link, I really appreciate it. I appreciate anyone who uses any of my links or codes. Trust me, it means a lot. So anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. Leave me a comment down below what you guys got in your box. You guys know the drill. Did you guys get what I got? Did you guys get anything different? What did you like? What didn't you like? So just let me know in the comments down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.